Hello and welcome back. In this tech tip video, we're going to show you a nifty way to easily highlight a section of any ride or route to get a shareable custom URL. With this tool, you can parse out the best portion of a recent ride, or maybe you discovered a better way to navigate a tricky area. Either way, you can create a link to just that section and share it with anyone without starting from scratch. So let's see how this works. From Portland, there are a bunch of different ways to ride out to the coast, but let's say you created this especially great route to Seaside and your friend wants to know specifically what you did to get out of the city, since there are so many options and it's hard to know which is best. So you pull up your ride from last weekend, and in the elevation profile, you highlight the stretch from the start point out to the town of Vernonia because it was a perfect, low traffic way to get started and will make it much more enjoyable for your friend. Once it's highlighted, you can shift the selection side to side if needed. You can also truncate or extend it to make sure it's totally dialed in. And once you're ready to go, you can go up and copy the custom URL for that section from the browser and send it off to your friend. When they open the link, they'll see exactly what you did on your screen. So we're now looking at it as your friend would. Down in the right-hand corner, they can save this section as a new route. And then pull it into the route planner to edit as needed. Let's say that instead of Seaside, your friend is planning to go to Cannon Beach. So they map out their own route from Vernonia using your highlighted section to get started. And that's it. A quick, easy way to share highlighted sections of any ride or route without starting from scratch. If you want more useful tools to get the most out of our platform, be sure to check out the Tech Tip playlist on YouTube and subscribe.